Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to verify your Google My Business account without video. So this video provides a step-by-step guide on how to verify a Google My Business account. So all you have to do is go to business.google.com and log in with your Google account, then select the business you wish to create. And next you will be providing your business detail like your business name and category. Then if you want to add a location, customer, so that they can visit, then you can also give address and then phone number and then your mailing address as well. So now for the key part, bypassing video verification. When prompted to record a video, you should click more option and then verify later. And it is very important to note that the edits made to the business will not be visible to customer until the verification is done. So after initially skipping the verification, you can go back to your business profile dashboard, then click verified. By clicking change options, you may see alternative verification methods like postcard, mail, and then phone call, text messages, or email. And it's important that not all businesses will have every method available. That depends on your business type, location, history, and Google. If no other option appear, then video verification is the only method. Once you have chosen your method, you will be receiving your and entering the code if the postcard by mail is chosen. So like this, you can do this, and then a code will appear in 5 to 12 days. If phone or SMS is chosen, then a call, a text is with 6 digits will be received if the business is eligible. And if email is chosen, then the code will be sent to business email. Once the code is received, you must return to your business profile like this and enter the code, submit it to complete your verification. And then a complete confirmation message will appear upon successful your verification. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video.